In Itaewon we get down, wow.
Since my CDs, my first EP, .wave, .mp4, MP3s, YouTube Reels, FBIG me. Back when E-Flat was recording an E3. Don't remind me, perfect timing. I'm always fighting, just trying to make it out. But now I'm outside, ready to unalive you at the Burger King drive-thru. Shit, I meant drive-by, murderous lyrics to die by. Verbal clinic with cyanide, so fuck your side eye and cocked eyes. I'm a lyrical Popeyes. By Suge Knight and Tupac's eyes, so why hide? It wasn't a good day, but it was a fun day. Up in Hongdae, Itaewon was a fun place, but I need to go to this one place. What do you guys call it here? Oh, Gangnam. Left my condoms in Itaewon at your mom's. I said sorry, gonna be a long time, son. She was stunned, I hit her gun, there was a problem. I took all her won, invested in this song. Your mama's gonna kill me if I suck, but I made it this far, so what the fuck? King Studio, make it perfect, listen up. All I know is the struggle, 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 bust.
I've been struggling like all my life.
Struggle, 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 bust.
But in Itaewon we get down, wow.
Struggle, 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 bust.
I've been struggling like all my life.